Learn, practice, and play piano with Piano Marvel. Piano Marvel is designed for everyone, and we do mean everyone. From beginners to professionals, students to teachers, music hobbyists to sight reading gurus, solo learners to college classrooms, and more. With over 28,000 songs and exercises, Piano Marvel is the one place where everyone can learn faster, practice more efficiently, and play their favorite songs. In practice mode, you can play music at your own speed as you work through note patterns. Notes turn green when you've played the correct keys, and red markers show you where you've made mistakes. This instant feedback is proven to accelerate your learning as you practice and read real music notation. In the play mode, you'll perform what you've learned in real time with awesome background tracks called accompaniments. You can also see scores of your performances and detailed feedback to help you correct mistakes instantly, saving you hours of time practicing mistakes by accident. The learning paths make each song easier and faster to learn by breaking them down into smaller learning sections. These are called slicings, and they are probably the best kept secret to learning new songs like a pro. Slicings simplify the learning process in small sections at slower speeds and with each hand separately. As you follow the learning path that's laid out for you, you will learn to play the entire song in the fastest way possible. The practice mode, play mode, and learning paths will turn every practice session into a huge leap forward. Other practice tools like lessons videos, tempo control, metronome, sound options, measure selections, and more give you the ultimate control over what you want to practice and how you want to practice it. You can even write your own songs on other software like Finale or MuseScore and then upload them to your Piano Marvel library. You can share your songs with friends, and teachers can even share songs with students as assignments. Let me show you how to find everything you want in Piano Marvel. From the dashboard, you can see your practice summary as well as links to 4 amazing places you have to know about to get the most out of Piano Marvel. The library is the best place to discover amazing songs to learn. Search for your favorite songs or look through our recommendations to find what you're looking for. You can add songs to your favorites so they will always be easy to find when you visit the library. With tens of thousands of songs that range from level 1 for beginners to level 18 for absolute professionals, the perfect songs for you to learn and play are right here waiting for you. If you're looking to up your sight reading game, well, you found your new home. The sight reading button will take you to the amazing sight reading enhancer that has been making waves across the world in universities, schools, and piano studios. Anyone can improve their sight reading skills and see their sight reading score with a standard assessment of sight reading, or SASR. The SASR intelligently learns about the way you read music and dynamically adapts to you in a completely unique way. This creates the perfect environment for improving your sight reading skills and gives you a history of your sight reading test results so you can see your improvements over time. The method and technique areas are perfect for beginner and intermediate students. These sections feature around 1,200 lessons designed to thoroughly teach you the fundamentals of playing piano. Piano Marvel will track your progress as you complete each lesson. Once you completed all the lessons for one level, you will earn a trophy on your method or technique trophy case. As you progress through these lessons, your piano playing skills will skyrocket. Piano teachers also love to teach with Piano Marvel in lessons and in classrooms. Universities and school classrooms all around the world are discovering what a difference learning with Piano Marvel makes. Teachers have access to student practice reports, shared music folders, and more. Teachers can also take the Piano Marvel certification course to learn how to maximize student learning in lessons and classrooms. Your piano journey just got a lot more interesting. Take the next step by exploring Piano Marvel for yourself.